National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Warren County and east central Georgia, northeastern Hancock County and east central Georgia until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Sparta, moving east at 40 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected. Tornado. Source: radar indication. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Sparta, Shoals, Mayfield, Jewel, Beale Springs, and Culverton. A severe